Hello everyone, my name is Gissel and today I have a huge unboxing of Kiara Sky products, so let's get into it. Okay, so I did pick up their sanding bands. I did expect it to come in a bigger box. This is pretty small. I don't know, maybe I expected it to be a little bit more square, but I did pick these up. I picked up fine grit sanding bands in black and then medium grit sanding bands in the white. They don't look as pristine like the boxes, but I guess it's just the, you know, the sanding bands, like the little grit. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks kind of like dirty, but whatever, I don't mind. Anyways, moving on, I did pick up, well, I picked up their whole set. I don't know why it came in two different ones, but I did pick up their whole gel art collection. So excited about these. When I had picked them up, they already said that these were sold out. So it could be that they did sell out, but they just ended up giving it to me like this. I don't know. I thought I was going to get it in the huge box, but this is fine as long as I have all of them. They're 12 each. And I picked up the velvet matte top coat, non-white top coat, and I've been dying to get this top coat for the longest time, probably since the first time I ever ordered from Kiara Sky, to be honest. I did pick up another recycling system because I bought some glitters. So this one's specifically going to be for my glitters. The other one's specifically going to be for my powders. So let's get into the glitters that I picked up. I am so excited. I picked up like a lot. Okay, so I picked up the glitter bundles. So I did 6 and 6, and I thought they were going to be a great deal. So I'll start off with the, I guess this one. So I picked up pink tiara, and it is such a pretty pink. To me, I picked this up because in the swatches it had a hint of silver in it, and compared to the other ones that looked like it had more yellow. Then I also picked up I Love You, which is such a pretty orange color. It's just gorgeous. I picked up I Appreciate You, which is a gorgeous peach color, and I can't wait to use these. They're so pretty. I also picked up Cosmic Love. So this one did spill a little bit, but it's a gorgeous red color. Next up on the list, I picked up Free the Halo. This is how it looks. So pretty. Such a good holographic glitter. And it's a fine glitter, if you can see it. So next I picked up Empress. Such a gorgeous, almost rose gold color. When I saw it, it's like a deep rose gold in the swatches. So pretty. I also picked up Galaxy Rose. On the swatches, it kind of looked like rose gold, but in person it actually looks a little bit, or a lot more, like a purple chrome, which isn't bad. I don't really have purple like that. I'm not a purple fan, so if you know that, you know. But it's not an ugly color. I really like it. I really like the reflex. Super cute. I also picked up Periwinkle, and this is supposed to be, well, in the swatches, Periwinkle did not look blue. It looked like a very much purpley blue soft color. In the jar it looks heavily blue. I got Light Year as well, which I'm super excited for. And this is how Light Year looks. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Such a pretty, like, end of the year type of glitter. Like, it gives me New Year's Eve vibes. I also picked up Of Quartz. And this just looks like it's gonna be the most gorgeous sugar powder color. It is like the perfect hint of like snow. I don't know. It's just too cute to not have. So I picked up Fantastic, which this was the color that I wanted so bad. And this is how it looks. So it's green with a hint of blue and yellow. So cute. I can't wait to use this one. Give me the perfect color in the swatches that I saw. So last but not least, I also fell in love with the color Intergalactic. And Intergalactic is like a soft purple. It's just, oh, so pretty. I know I don't like purples, but this is the type of purple I can, you know. I don't want to curse, but I mean, I do curse a lot in my actual daily life, but in videos I try very much not to. But this is a purple I can with, you know. So these are all the glitters that I picked up. Honestly, I would swatch them, but I'm gonna do a separate video on them only because I feel like they deserve more attention. I mean, these are 12 glitters and I don't want this unboxing to be super long. Okay, so with these colors, I'm pretty sure everyone's seen the swatches and everything, but I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna not swatch, but just show you guys each color. So the first shade is Gold Exhibit. Then we have Can't Let Go, or Go. Like, I know it's after the famous artist. And this is the red. Which I thought was kind of weird that they would put the red for him. Is it because he cut his ear? Isn't he the painter that cut his ear? Anyways, then we have Self-Portrait, which is a vibrant yellow. I know in camera it kind of looks like a lime green, but it is like a neon yellow. We have Cereally Blue. Next we have White Canvas, which is the white. We have Inner Artist. Then we have Inked. Out of Monet. I think that's how you pronounce that. I know it's after another famous artist. And this is their green. Next, we have Picasso, which I assume is for Picasso. Next up we have Silver Stroke. Negative Space, which is like a deep black. This is great. And the one that I wanted the most, which is Creative Outlet, which is a orange. Like, look at that. Oh, popsicle vibes, man. Such a good color. And then I have the recycling system, which I will show you. This is how it looks. I know you can get cheaper ones on Amazon, but I specifically wanted theirs because I like theirs so much. I don't know the difference between buying it on Amazon, but I thought, why not? And yeah, this is gonna be for my glitters. Very cool. So this is pretty much all that I picked up. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the glitter swatches. I will swatch these as well. And yeah, I am so excited to use these and to do my nails because honestly, I do not like this nail set. But you know, when you do it con mala gana, like when you don't really want to and you end up doing it, it doesn't really come out nice. So That's what happened here. Anyways, not the point. Thank you guys all for watching, and until next time, bye.